I have a bad feeling that this is not gonna be the coldest weather we see though. Gloves and a hat. Do you know where I could find hand warmers? I was not prepared for Chicago.
Yeah,
That, and all of that.
All right.
I could film all day with these gloves. So my whole thing with this trip is that I've just been so focused on filming and capturing things. But that's what this trip is about for me. This is me trying to document everything. Not so much for you to watch or you people to watch or whoever's watching this, but more so for myself in the future to remember where I went, what I did, how it went, how cold my hands were when I was in Chicago, when I was unprepared, even to challenge myself with capturing content daily, editing content daily, and more than just a single video, multiple videos, photos, everything, and just having constant, like, it's just a constant daily exercise. And that's why I'm doing this. One of the many reasons. On top of a life experience itself, I just want to use this as a exercise to make myself better, to challenge myself, to work on my flow, to work on my pacing, my storytelling, yeah, all that. So I don't know if I'm doing it right. I'm trying, but I guess you guys will be the judge of that. We get a pack now. We have about like 10 minutes before we gotta get out of here. This is too much here. This is way too much. That is it for Chicago. We're gonna go get our ticket now. We are traveling on the Amtrak Wolverine from Chicago to Pontiac, Michigan, and we're getting off in Ann Arbor. I've not been in this city in a very long time. Hey! What's up, man? We just received a care package from Merchline. Nate, thank you very much. Absolutely love you. We're gonna open this in just a bit. All speculation. It's a care package for my trip. I have no idea what's in here, and we're gonna do a little unboxing. We got a shirt, a fresh shirt. Oh yes, Start Today shirt. That little lightning bolt there. Awesome, thank you so much. Dreams do come true. Bomber jacket, Start Today bomber jacket. Super into this. Probably gonna rock this for tomorrow's video shoot. A new TPA hat. If you guys haven't seen already, the back buttons of my TPA hat have completely busted. So we got a solid replacement here. Thank you guys so much. Some Start Today pins. Start Today Merchline beanie. I should have not bought this beanie in Chicago. I should have just waited. This is so rad. Start Today notepad. Also rad. Handful of Start Today stickers. And 1, 2, 3 Start Today pins. Incredible. Big thank you to Merchline for this very, very generous care package. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to Merchline. Y'all should check them out. Yeah, give them some love, let them know I sent you. I want to thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe, and yeah, we have a video shoot tomorrow, something a little different than normal, video and photo shoot. Yeah, stay tuned, subscribe. Be sure not to miss it because it's something completely different, and I'm gonna be on the other side of the camera. Well, actually, yeah, whatever. I'll see you guys tomorrow.